Bumalik.
Hi! Hello!
Tulungan mo
Where are you, Baba?
Eh, picture tayo. Pasan natin kayo.
Good morning! Where are you? Hi!
Hello guys. Good morning. Oh wow. This is the breakfast. Wow. Some real hot dog.
No, no, we
Red
do not
hot
go
dog.
there. Do not go there, please.
Longganisa tsaka itlog.
He's trying to help him.
We found some taho guy here.
Ano sa'yo? 20?
Ano bang ano?
Ayun, yung 20.
Kahit yung maliit lang.
Ganyan lang kaliit.
Ay, hindi, sobrang liit pala nun.
Dalawa nung 20 po. May extra ba yan, kuya? Ay, wala. Ay, wala. Okay, haluin nyo na lang po. Para
Yeah, taho. You know, fresh. Okay. Hello guys. Hello. So saan po tayo? Saan? Imus Plaza. Wow. Ano kinakain nyo dyan? Udang. Alright. Tapos na natin mag-snack. Technically dinner. Dinner.
Dinner.
Meron? Come here. You wanna ride the tricycle? Yeah? We'll ask where. Oh, dito po kami kumain today for dinner. Kuya? Say hello.
Hello.
Dito po kami sa Imus.
This is doggy.
Huh?
This is doggy.
Oh, there's a doggy. One right there. Saan tayo pupunta?
Plaza lang.
Oh, sa plaza. Okay. Okay. Take another video pag nasa plaza na. Okay. Can I ask you something? Do you want that? You want to take a picture with the snake?
No.
I'm just asking. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's right there. It's right there. Okay, that's close enough.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ryan, what are you saying?
Taho.
Hello. Hmm?
Hello. Hello. Hi guys. Xiaolong Bao.
No, it's not.
Huh?
It's called Din Tai Fung.
How? Today, recommend me Jamie. Some appetizers there. And much more to come. Okay, bye-bye.
Oyster miso. Hi, Cam. That's cool, eh?
I love you, Mama.
Ano na?
Gaga. Nasa paan na yan?
Uy.
Wala lang yan. Kamot. Sige.
Hello, hello. Where are we?
We're at
Hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
No, say hello.
Oh, hello.
Where are we going, Daddy?
We're gonna go eat at Mahogany Market.
And then,
From Bulalon. And we're gonna go to Batangas.
and then,
And yes.
swim.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eden, say hello.
Oh.
Say hello, Montana.
Hi, Nano.
Say hello, Papu.
Hi Nano, how are you? I'm
Dude,
here in Tagaytay.
can you hold it?
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Where are you?
And Philippines. And
Dito tayo sa Aliana's Canteen Bululuhan. Hello guys! Okay ba? Okay, good. Tagay tayo, market. Say hello! Hello again! Anong kinakain nyo dyan?
Ay, may langgam. Ayoko, sorry. Nope. Not touching it.
Oh my gulay, that's part of it. Nandun ito sa trees, hindi sa ano.
Ano ba yan?
Ito, they grow on high
Can
trees.
you give me one with that langgam?
Lang kami, sweet. Mix lang kami, ibig sabihin. Hindi matamis. Matamis kasi nilalanggam. Kasi walang gamin kayo.
What's that?
Give me one without.
Let's see. What's the other one? Santol. Wait,
Anong santol?
Lanzones.
whistle.
Here we go.
No, this
Whoa!
Wanna try?
Hello.
Hello.
Ready?
Na.
Welcome to the Teleho, Philippines.
Ano daw?
Welcome to the Caliejo, Philippines.
Me?
Is it good?
What is it? The lanzones?
Alright. Dito po kami sa 11B. Casita 11B. Ayan po ang aming view. Medyo madilim pero okay lang. Tara, pasok tayo habang ano. Hindi ba masyado madumi? Po ang aming hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Nice. Thank you, kuya. Ano to? Dalawang queen?
Looks like it. Hey, you guys.
Ito po ang banyo. Pwede ka rin lumabas sa likod. Kung ano meron dito, sampayan. Ayan, oh. Oh, nice. Sink. Liguan.
Hey, good morning.
Hi.
Morning. Going to
This is our room in the morning or afternoon. Hey! Slow. Here is the backyard. Mga buko. Buti hindi sila nahuhulog.
Good morning, Batangas! Oop! Oh my gosh! We have been staying here for 3 days. And it's just time to say goodnight. Or good night. It's time to say goodbye. It was lots of fun. Cameron didn't want to leave the dance floor. But now I think we're gonna head to Nueva Vizcaya. Spend a few days with my mom's side of the family. Yeah. Come along.
Big boy ko. Here's the big boy. See? Hi, mommy. Big boy na ko.
Hi! Say hi to mommy. Hi, mommy!
Where's your dad?
Come here.
Yes.
You say, welcome to Batangas!
Welcome to Batanda.
How long did we stay here for? 3 days.
3 days.
For whose wedding?
Nina and Abby.
And Ninang JP! Congratulations! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was so fun, right? You kept dancing?
Yeah.
Yay! Now we're heading to Nueva Vizcaya. Okay, bye!
Anong oras bumalik kayo kagabi? Alas 11 na. O, dahil magkakasunod lang tayo.
Oh, ayaw umuwi na siya.
Sino?
Hello.
Oo. Tapos 2724. Yung may tama yung ano niya. May tama per plate na.
J as in jar?
Oo.
Pinulo na niya. Tapos go home na daw. Yun pala ibibigay niya sa'yo.
No.
Hey, Cami, what are we doing?
I-open it.
Open it.
Tayo sa Laisdaan Hotel and Restaurant.
Is this where you're supposed to go fishing?
Small fishies right there.
Where?
Just small tiny.
That doesn't count.
Oh, right there. Goldfish.
Oh, there is a goldfish. There's lots of them.
Let's go over here and see. Oh, ang dami dito, oh. Aaron, look. Aaron, look.
Wow! Fish. Oh, marami rin palang tilapia. Tilapia po yan? Oo, yun. Tilapia.
Yun, oo nga, no?
Ayun, ang laki pa rin.
Ito pala yung menu. At nagkaroon ng onting parada doon, nag-traffic.
Si Tita Dad, ano po po rin? Pwede na tayo?
Tapsilog daw. Tapsilog na siya.
Tapsilog po kayo si...
Yeah, ako po silog.
Oh, you should.
What are you guys doing? Lots.
Yeah, there. Let's throw it.
Oh, Cams!
Oh.
Huwag mong masyadong pakainin. Bibigyan natin mamaya.
Para ano?
Mataba.
Oh, keep going, kuya.
Ibang isda yan. Ang gayan tayo. Toy.
Yeah. Bibili po kami ng mga buko-buko. Ah. Oh.
Yellow. Ha? What?
Wala.
What?
Ayan, yan mismo. Fontanilla Special 25.
Ah, lolo kami ka lang. Kami? Lolo, wala kang sticker. Lolo. Master, Lolo.
Here, I'll show you how to eat it, Papa.
Master.
Ipasyal natin sila dun sa kwan.
Farm.
Hindi, hindi ba alam mo yung ano?
Show that if you like it.
Yung may
Thumbs up or
tayo
thumbs
na
down?
nagtitinda ng campaign na
So, Daddy. Down?
kakilala mo. May inano tayo nun tungkol sa papeles ni Jan Jan. Tapos, yung bumalik-
More. Come on. I'll show you how. Here. Go, do it for me. Can you hold on to it?
Wala. Go, kuya. Lightning McQueen.
Where's your eyes?
Hey!
Where's your nose? Nakakakulay na kayong tatlo.
Video.
Okay then, no. Hello! Say welcome to our house. Let's go. Come on. Over here. Let's go. Go to our house. That's Coke. Drink it.
Hello.
Mommy, go talk. Properly.
But someone needs to talk to.
You talk still.
Hello.
Picture niya, lolo niya. Hindi. Hi. Show the house, anak. Go outside and show outside.
Uy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Alright.
What is this? What is this?
Electric fan.
Nice. Hello. What are these?
Parang batang kalian na tong anak ko.
Ayan pala, yan na lang para kay ano.
Good morning. Hey, monkey boy. How many did you eat?
Ano?
That's your 5th one.
Ah.
You want to feed the fish? But it's your birthday. Aaron, where are we going?
I'm to my birthday.
For your birthday? Watch where you're going.
Mama, look at your cake.
Thomas. Thomas cake.
Do you see that? Right there. That's you. Hey, Cams. Cams, it's from Nana and Papu.
Thank you.
Love you. Lalaki naman yung ano mo na.
Wow, what do you like? Do you like your cake? Yeah, it's nice. Here,
Why did you do
here, Aaron.
Why did you feel the thing? Sino sasagot dyan?
What happened to the pig?
They eat it.
Happy
What's your name? Who's your mom?
Mama Uling.
And who's your dad?
Mary Alvin.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, ready, set, go.
Happy birthday! I couldn't stop my laugh. Happy
Yay!
Bring me the oldest person dito. Yung pinakamatandang tao. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Wala, ilang taon po kayo? Ilang taon? Ilang taon na po kayo? 80. Ala, matatalo. Ay, wala. Sorry.
81. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cameron. Love you down. Hello. Yay!
You can cut it apparently. So just cut it right here. Just cut right here. Go. Whoa, big slice, mommy.
Yay!
Good job. Okay, I'm gonna serve. We're gonna give
We're gonna give cake to people, okay? Which piece would you like? Huh?
My piece is Thomas.
You cannot eat the Thomases, though.
It's just a picture, kuya.
It's just a picture. Bon, hindi ka pa nakapagod, ah?
Uy,
Hindi pa pagod?
bumili po kami ng pampatulog. Konting ano lang.
Red Horse, Sunmig, and Sunmig Apple.
Bagay yun.
Tumagtungan sinuktungan sa kanya eh.
Cheers.
I know.
Ano pa pala isa doon?
Tita, cheers.
Dito po tayo sa Balay Gloria.
Balay Resort or Balay
Gloria.
Gloria. Oo, di pa ganito pa. Di ba open yun?
Hello, hello.
Ha?
Na.